Layo pala ito par. Ayun. Tanay. Diyan ko lang makakainan daw. Ay, pinakabundok pala yung trekking. What you want to eat? Adobo?
Yes.
Dar. Wait lang yan. Kain lang daw.
We want
What?
chicken curry and rice.
Dar. Told me here. Biryani. I don't know. The one. Where have you been there? Mountain?
Yes, yes. We don't climb the mountain.
Ah, okay. Local foods. Dito ata may kainan ba rito? May kainan. Pagkain po. Pwede kumain.
Wala pong tinda ngayon.
Saan ba may pagkain? Dito po sa kabila. Ah. Salamat po.
Are you saying thank you?
Yes, salamat.
Salamat. Salamat ba? What is po?
Ha?
Po.
Po, it's respect.
Oh, respect.